Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. I left off yesterday by casting all the pieces I need to complete the midsection of my miniature to Prohm style temple. This temple will eventually have a ficus tree growing over it, so it'll be a root over temple planting. Here's a look at all the pieces that I cast yesterday, everything I need to complete the midsection of the temple. So I'm going to start by opening up the Sprite first. This is the last one I need for this section, and it'll look hopefully like this. So here I go. The cement should be good and hard. It dried overnight. The plasticene's hardened up quite a bit too. My plant room always gets cool overnight. I guess the outside temperature drops. Well, so far it's looking okay. You can see the face here. Some of the hair fell off of my original sculpture here. But that's okay. It makes every sprite a little different. I've been having a lot of problems with casting the legs. They come out kind of strange looking, but this one has a bit of an air pocket in it too. The one leg turned out pretty good, but needs something to help pick out the plasticine here. It's kind of stuck to the cement pretty good. Well, the cement looks good and hard, and it's not cracking and falling apart, so that's good. Means I got my mixture right. So I have a bit of flashing at the edges I'll have to remove, but overall I'm very pleased with this one. This is one of my better ones, which is good because I need nice ones on the corners. Yeah, so there's the Sprite looking really good. Now these ones, they were just Sprites that I cast the rectangular base around them. So I'll just get those out of the mold. They're quite easy to get out. Just take the edges off here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. My Sprite's a little off center at the bottom, but it's not too bad. Okay, there's another good piece. And I'll get this one off. This is just the Sprite with the cast rectangular base around it. So just take off the side pieces, the end pieces, and the side piece here. Get it loose from the table here. There we go. Yeah, that one turned out pretty good. There's a look at it. Quite happy. So there's just my columns now to take out. I don't anticipate any problems with them, but you never know. And that it completes my casting for the midsection of the temple, which is kind of exciting because it was a lot of detail work on this piece. The rest of the temple there'll be some detail work on it, but a lot of it will be structural work, not so much, carvings and that. But there will be some. Okay, there goes my column. That's a nice one. Look at that. Turned out pretty good. And another one. It's kind of fun opening these up. It's sort of like you wonder if the piece is any good. There it is. Looks like this piece is good too. Yeah, no problems with that one. That's a good pillar. Yeah, I got a couple more here. So all in all, I've been pretty happy with this plasticine casting. It gets a fairly detailed piece with, not a lot of expense or molding effort. There we go. That one looks good too. Yeah, if I wanted a more precision piece, I would definitely go with a silicone mold or a latex mold or something, but for my temple, for the temple ruins, I think it worked out quite well. Okay, there's my last pillar, and that turned out quite nice too. Bit of a void there, but not too bad. It just looks like a chip in the chipping the stonework. Okay, so everything is ready for assembly now. Here's a look at all the pieces that I've got to put together today. So I'll be cleaning them up with a file, getting rid of all the flashing, soaking them in water, and then cementing them around the base here. Now I got to get rid of this flashing, which is a little thick on this one. That works. Nibble away at it with the pliers. I've got all my pieces cleaned up and they're soaking in the bucket, and I've wet down the temple so it's all ready for assembly. I'll start by putting the blocks on these faces with the sprites on them, then the columns, and then I've got to figure out how I'm going to do the 4 corner ones. I've got another block attached here, so I just have this one to go. I've got my second block cemented on now, so now I've got to do my columns each side of the blocks. I've got my 2 pillars added now. It starts to look really complex. It's kind of cool. So I've got 2 more pillars to go on this side now. So I'll do that next. I've cemented the last 2 columns in place here now. So all this part is complete, except I have to add my corner sprites. So that's the last step. I'm going to place my best 2 sprites on the front of the temple. So I've got to look at them all. This one's a nice one. I like that one. I don't know. I think this is the other best one. And then these 2 can maybe go towards the back. They're all good, but yeah, I think these 2 are just slightly better. So these 2 will go on the front corners of the temple. I had a tough time picking the front of the temple, but I think this is the slightly better face. It looks good from all directions, but I think this one's just slightly better. So I'm going to put my best corner sprites on the corners here. And I've got to figure out, you know, do I just want to cement them in place against the temple there? Do I want them spaced out? Don't think I want them spaced out like statues, but I don't know. Maybe I do. So there's with them spaced out. The only problem is they're not really, you know, this one's a little flat on the back side here. This one's a little more rounded, but I think spaced out, they don't look part of the structure, so I think they've got to be in. It looks like separate statues sticking out, but which is fine. It's a good look, but I think it looks better with them tucked in as part of the temple. I'm keeping everything sprayed down with water for cementing the 4 corner sprites in place. All right, here I go. I'm just going to try putting cement on the back and just pushing them up in place, and that'll be it. I've got my first corner sprite cemented in place. It was a little tense putting it on. I had to make sure it was positioned right and get all the cement around the edges of the piece to kind of make it look like it's carved out of a stone, you know, from the large stones. So, but it went okay. It was all right. So I'm going to do my second sprite in this corner now. I had to step away for a while, and my statues have dried. They're kind of the nice light cement color now. So yeah, looking really good, I think. That's what it looks like. So I still have my 2 sprites to put on the back face here, so I'll make sure everything's soaked down. It's kind of dried out at the moment. And I'll get cementing once again. I've got the 4 corner sprites cemented on the middle section of the temple, and next I'll be building up the lower part of it, which will make it even higher. Let's go in and have a look at it now. Here's a look at the canopy on my Ficus microcarpa. It continues to grow in nicely. It's really exciting watching it grow in. It's looking really nice. I'm going to take advantage of all this beautiful sunshine coming in the windows and put all my trees out on the floor and on this table here. So that's going to be it for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.